was always been a dream place for me to visit, but the controversies over this place has pulled me backward for so long to make it happen true. But after visiting this place, I would strongly suggest everyone to visit the Jannat on earth once in their lifetime, since the local people are so welcoming and kind. Here comes our first trip in Kashmir, which started with Dal Lake in Srinagar. We took a flight from Delhi to Srinagar and came straight to Dal Lake by a rented car. Once reached there by 11 in the morning, we immediately took the Shikara ride in order to witness the magnificent scenic views of this lake. A shikara is a small paddle taxi boat often about 15 feet long and made of wood. It is the cultural symbol of Kashmir and is used not only for ferrying visitors but is also used for the vending of fruits, vegetables, flowers and for the fishing and harvesting of aquatic vegetation. All gardens in the lake periphery and houseboats anchored in the lake are approachable through shikaras. The boats are often navigated by two boatmen dressed in firong, which is a traditional dress of Kashmir, and they carry kamris or portable heaters on the boat. A shikara can sit about 6 people and have heavily cushioned seats and backrest to provide you comfort in Mughal style. We completed our shikara ride by the evening and came back to our houseboat, which was graded in a similar fashion to a 5-star hotel, according to the level of comfort. It had lavishly furnished rooms, hall, kitchen, terrace and a veranda to serve as a sun deck or to serve morning tea or coffee. All houseboat owners provide shikara transport to their house guests in free of charge. The shikara is also used to provide for other sightseeing locations in the valley. A cruise along the Jhelum River offering scenic views of the Pir Mountains and passing through the famous 7 bridges and the backwaters on road.